Hi guys, it's Angie and I'm coming today to do a project share for Love Junk Journals, and that's owned by Tracie Fox. So if you do not follow Tracie, please follow links below. And here I'll put this up for you guys to look at. This is everywhere where you can find Tracie. Tracie is a digital artist and she makes the most amazing digital kits. So make sure you go over there and follow her and go love her, heart her Etsy shop. So today's project is mixed media wall hanging, I guess we'll call it. What I used, I'll show you the papers or the kits that I used. So what I love about Tracie is that you can use her past and present kits and mix them up, and they always work so well together. So this is one kit that I used from her tear sheets. This is a past one. And then she just came out with these recently, and these are her fussy cut sheets. This one was butterflies and the toadstools. And I look at the colors, you guys. Doesn't she pick the most amazing colors? I love, love, love her colors. One thing you can do is you can get I have a brother scan and cut. I obviously didn't do that. I'm a here or there fussy cutter. I mean, if it's simple shapes, I'll do it. But you could run this through your brother scan and cut, and I think Tracie mentioned using sticker paper and making these stickers. I mean, can you imagine the possibilities? You could do so many things with these. Gift wrap, you could put these on packages. I mean, I just love these. And then here's her toadstools, and there's the information there. If you go onto Etsy to find these ones, that's what you'll look for. Okay, so this is what I have done with her stuff. So on the back, so this is a substrate and they're solid wood, so that's why I call them a substrate. A canvas would have the canvas wrap around it, and this is wood. I love these because you can do so much more with them. You can find them online or at Hobby Lobby. I always wait to get coupons and I just buy all kinds of sizes. This one is a 5x7. So what I did, I began with using one of her tear sheets, and I glued it back there, and then I plastered, sanded, and painted, and you can still see her tear sheet coming through. I used another piece of tear sheet here, and then I distressed and painted and antiqued the sides here. Then I made these really cute little houses and a rusty bolt with the tree. I love using nature. I'm like Tracie. I'm a huge nature freak. I love animals, natures, bugs, all kinds of stuff. So that's why I probably adore Tracie's kit so much. Anyways, I made these little houses. I painted them, and then I use this really fine crackle. If you've ever seen like old vintage porcelain doll faces and you see those really fine cracks, that's what this medium produces. Thank you so much, AmyLove, for introducing me to that. I wish I could get up closer, but if you stay till the end, I always have close-up photos and you can get a better view of close-ups. So I did the crackle medium, antiqued it. I put some little bushes, and then I fussy cutted her butterflies out and stuck them on the tree, and they look cool, just to kind of give like a 3D effect. And I did use a different kind of crackle. This is by Tim Holtz. It's called the Hard Candy. It just gives a different effect, and I think it's so cool to add different layers and effects to Tracie's digitals. And then I just used a little saying here. It says, "Enjoy the journey." And then on top of here is a pull knob, the glass one. That looked really neat on top of there. And then I just did some wire work here as the hanger, so you can hang this on the wall like this. And here is the back. So I just decoupaged some dictionary paper, cut out a mushroom and a butterfly with my signature there. Then I inked it with the Tim Holtz Distressings. So there's the sides and the bottom. I think it looks so cool. I just love it. I think this turned out really neat. I'm having so much fun using your digital kits, Tracie. Thank you so much for allowing me to be part of your team and being so open-minded and letting me be free with my art while using your kits. I truly appreciate that. You're an amazing digital artist, and I am so blessed to work with you. Um, I have something in the works that I drew up that I hope I can accomplish in the next few months. I'm super busy this summer, so I'm trying to get ahead and get projects done for the summer, so I have some time. And then in the fall, hopefully September, we'll have something really cool for you, Tracie. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, and I hope you get inspired by this project. If you do Tracie's in a different way, her kits in a different way, I'd love to see them. I know Tracie loves seeing out of the box things used with her kits, so please share those in her group. So if you're not a part of her Facebook group, head over there and join. She welcomes everybody, and she loves seeing you share your projects. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.